Hi, my name's Luke from the Carphone Warehouse in Liverpool 1. I'm just going to explain how to use Skype. Skype is a service where you can call overseas or just to your friend next door. If you go to the www.skype.com website and then click download, once you downloaded the application to your desktop, if you double click on the Skype icon, a window will appear and ask you to create a username. Once you've created a username, you will then start adding friends. If you go to the bottom left of the window, click plus, and it will ask you to add a Skype contact. Once you've added a contact, click search, and it will search for that contact. I'm now going to call the contact I've just added, which is my friend Stephanie. Hi Stephanie. The call's now connected. To see myself in the window and the image I'm broadcasting, if I click on the start video icon, the bottom left, the image I'm broadcasting will appear, and that's how to use Skype.